So I've got this bat sleeping up here in my ceiling, and over here I've got some Douglas fir that I milled. Plus I've got my nieces visiting, and they said they wanted to do some woodwork. So I think this would be a good project, a little bat house. Use this wood, and let's see how it goes. Be cool, little sculpture for a small planet with them. All right, some nail driving practice over here. How's it going?
Good.
Good? All right, let's see some nails be drove.
You can get to as many as I have. A lot of banging. See,
All
if they go
right.
sideways, you can just nail them in. That's what I did.
That one's bent. Oh, you're gonna put it in with your hand?
I nailed it into here.
Oh, that's all right.
That's okay.
So, Luna, see how high your block is, and how?
You told me this is how you hold hammer.
Yeah. If you get up above it, it might be a little easier. There you go. Now you can see the head. Look at that. You got it in?
See?
Nice. Look.
Look, Lou.
You did it.
Wasn't that easier? Yeah. Okay.
All right, keep practicing.
Spelling my name.
Oh, good. All right, keep practicing. While cleaning up this lumber, I realized that I really needed a joiner to get the edge straight and smooth. Trying to follow a line like this was not working. So I improvised by removing one blade thickness about halfway down a board, and then flipped it over and taped it to the fence. This setup cleaned up that edge almost as well as a joiner. A lot of time you'll see people put plastic mesh or something like that in the back of their bat house, but I'm just scoring mine on a diagonal to give them a nice texture so they can climb up. Made 3 bat house kits. So in a little bit, the cousins are going to come in here on the 4th of July and make a little bat house with Bee. This is the bat board, and you notice each one has a texture on it so the bats can climb up. And this is what they're going to grip. This is their bed, and their little feet will grab onto that. And this piece that's going to go right down here, like this, right? Get nailed in there, and it'll be on here. That will make this space smaller, so the bad guys can't get in there and get them while they're sleeping.
Wait, the bat can fit in here?
Yeah. And then this is the roof, and that will go on here like that to keep out the weather. Yeah, you ready to put some nails in these holes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it locked again.
Looks good? Yeah. Tight turn. Mosquito.
Did you say that will make it help rooster?
What are we seeing?
My early birthday present.
Oh, look at that.
It's got a fringe along the top, and look at how big it is. Because that's an adult.
That's an adult?
And
That's ginormous.
it says 14 over. It's just
Uh-oh, you're too young. You get to do art in school?
Yeah, we have like art class, gym class, music class, and all
Yeah?
those classes.
Oh, that's fun. You know, you really get an appreciation for how tall a tree is when you get
go
up there.
like
Woo! How's that?
Good.
All right. How does this look?
good.
Okay, get one more screw in there. All right.
Maybe you should put one like right here.
Is it in the hole?
It is. Yes, it's in the hole.
Ta-da!
See?
So we just got those bat houses finally hung. Unfortunately, it took us a little longer than we hoped, but we got 4 bat houses up. Here's Luna's. Up there is Nova's. Bees is on the tree house, and mine's in the tree over there. And we've seen last night there was around 8 flying bats, which is 5 more than normal. Normally we'll only see 2 or 3, and I don't know. Are you really excited about that? I'm pretty excited about that. Check out some other cool projects for Sculptures for a Small Planet. 3. All right, we gotta check Mom.